So I contacted them and I said to them, where are you based? And they were based in the UK and they were based 19 miles from my house. I said, can I come and actually physically look and feel and see all the products working? He said, absolutely. So I went down there for a couple of hours. He showed me every single deterrent he's got. He was in business from 1992. He was an inventor. There's no product like it on the market that I could find, certainly. And I said, okay, can you do me a cheaper price for the first one to see if they're any good? And if they're good, I'm going to carry on buying. He said, absolutely. Thank you very much. So I bought these products, took them out. They were very effective, way more effective than anything else I bought. And then I bought as a consumer of those products. I was buying for 9 years from him. And then 2 years ago, he rings me up out of the blue. Hi Steve, just to let you know, I've got sepsis. I'm extremely ill. I'm not very well. He was 76. He said, if I recover from this, I just want to spend time with my family, so I'm going to just close the company. He said, so you're going to have to find a different bird deterrent supplier. So I was like, well, your products are very unique, Charles. You invented them and you know that they're unique to the market. Where can I get them from? And he said, you're not going to be able to get them anywhere. And I said, what are you doing with all the product and all the raw material? He said, I'm just going to get a skip and load it into the skip and it's gone. I had another one of those sleepless nights. It's like, can I do anything moving from the service industry into a manufacturing business? And I decided I could. I'd gone from window cleaning to solar cleaning, so I thought, let's go from this into manufacturing. So I own that company now. I went to him with an offer he couldn't refuse, not the head, it's cash. So I said, right, okay, well, I'll give you X amount of pounds for the business, but I want all the stock, I want all the raw materials, I want all the old invoices from all the clients so I can see who your client base is, I want the website, and I want the shareholding. He was getting bonus money. I picked up a business dirt cheap, but I managed to keep a hold of my supply chain. It was such an important part of my solar business that I was able to keep these products rolling out. So actually, yes, I own that company.